Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I've got Amazon boxes, so I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm pretty sure I know what it is because I needed some headphones, and I was able to get these from, yep, this big old box, this big huge box filled with that and this. But I wanted to show these to you. They are Veatool, and I know everybody likes the AirPods, and I can't afford the AirPods. So, but these are, I think they'll be good. We'll have to see. But look at the big old box for this. And I think there's something else in here. Oh, check that out. Can you see that? It's charging, so this is a little charger in here. Oh, you can see the two. Huh. 91%. Well, now it's at 90%. I just touched that button. And there it is. Isn't that cool? So, let's see. This must be the charger. Yep, it's just a regular standard little charger. And then it's got different earpieces to fit your ears. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, they're just little guys there. So I thought this was really cool, and I think I'll have to see how. I think there's a left and a right. And yep, it says left and right on there. And so you just put them in the coordinating ear, and then do they stick? Oh, look at that! Oh, got the bun wiggle going on, but yeah, not falling out. So I think. Oh, it's pairing now. I wonder what it's pairing to. So I got my phone. We'll see. See how easy this is. I got my Bluetooth on. That's called the J29R. Let's see. They're paired. And now I can listen to my music and stuff. Am I talking louder with these headphones in? So let's see. Yep. I don't know if you can hear. Can have my own dance party. So I'm listening to Oh What a Night by Frankie Valli. So they work. And that was right out of the box. So they haven't been charged or anything like that. So I think that is very cool. I'm going to go ahead, and the price was amazing for these. So I'm going to put down in the link down below the Amazon link. Oh, you can hear it's such a beautiful day. I decided to film out here, so I'll be filming out here for you this week, and it is just gorgeous. So but that means you can hear the planes going by because we've got a little training studio over there. Anyways, I know this was an unboxing. You're not here to just hear about my life, but I miss you guys, and I feel like I haven't talked to you in forever. But I will be making plenty of videos this week, and I will put them up, so make sure that you click that subscribe button, and also please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you're watching these videos. Leave some comments and tell me what kind of headphones you use. Alright, I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later.